Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back today because I received my order from Echo Park. They had their warehouse sale, and so there's a lot of goodies in here. I think I only spent, $35? No, $50, and it was free shipping. And yeah, so they had their warehouse sale. I ordered this several weeks ago, and it finally came in, and so I thought I would share it with you. Let's go through the big things first. I'm not going to get each of the kits out, but I will show you what is included. This one is I Love Winter by Lori Whitlock, and it's of course by Echo Park. Here are the papers that you get inside. You also get 2 of the cut-aparts, and then 2 sticker sheets. Here is the sticker sheet, the big one. You get some borders and things. So this is I Love Winter by Lori Whitlock. And then I got the Christmas Delivery, and this one is by Corte Maria, but here are all the papers that you get in it. And then you get 2 sheets of cut-aparts, and then a sticker sheet, and here is the sticker sheet. And down at the bottom it has the alphas. So super cute, love this one. And then I picked up one of the Happy Halloween by Echo Park, and you get 12 double-sided papers. And you also get a sticker sheet and some cut-aparts inside. So here are the papers, and here is the sticker sheet. Super cute. Love the little fence border and the spider webs. So there is that one. And then this is the last kit I got. It is a Gingerbread Christmas, and here are the papers that you get. And then you get 3 sheets of cut-aparts, 12 double-sided papers, and a sticker sheet. And here is the sticker sheet. It's kind of Christmas baking. So there is that. And then I got, this one goes with my favorite winter, and it is the Chipboard Accents, and these are adhesive. So there are those. And then they had one that was my favorite winter, Chipboard Phrases, and I think the kits were on sale for $7 a piece. These were $2, so can't beat that price. And then I got one of the Warm and Cozy sticker 6x6 paper pads. I'll do a quick flip through. I have a lot of this collection still, so I just wanted another one of the, and you get 24 double-sided papers. You get some cut-aparts in there. Love these wood grain. That one's super pretty too. Some more cut-aparts. And another sheet of cut-aparts. That's nice. Then there's a 4th sheet of cutter parts and a 5th sheet of cutter parts. Oh, I think it repeats, yeah. So there is the warm and cozy. And then I picked up let's see. The first thing I picked up was the Happy Fall Puffy stickers. So super cute. And the Puffy stickers were $2. And then I got the Halloween Market ephemera. And you get 33 pieces in there. And then I got a couple of the Christmas ones. I got the Hello Christmas Puffy stickers. And then I got Here Comes Santa Claus ephemera. 33 pieces, and the ephemera was the 6x6 paper pad was $3, and the ephemera was only $2. So super nice sale. I also got Hello Christmas 33 piece ephemera. And as you can see, the colors are very similar, so you can mix and match these collections. This one is my favorite Christmas ephemera, 33 pieces. And then I got some winter ones. This one is my favorite winter, 33 pieces of die cut pieces. So I got this ephemera. And then I got Winter Market. And then the last thing I picked up was Winter Magic. So super fun. I got 4 of the kits, 2 of the cardstock stickers, some Puffy stickers, ephemera packs, a 6x6 paper pad, chipboard, and then the 4 kits. And I only paid $50 for all of this. So, and it was free shipping. So that is my Echo Park warehouse order. And that, I think, is all. I think I'm all caught up now with some videos. I need to do a plan with me for this weekend. And yeah, so everyone have a wonderful weekend. And I'll be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video. Be sure and subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. Hit that little bell so you get notified of when I upload new content. And I'll be back soon with another video.